Hi guys, I'm Talha from Technical Office. In this video I will be showing to you how to get paid by watching ads and completing the surveys. So I have step-by-step method to you. So first you have to sign up, and sign up page I have taken a few pictures. So in sign up page you have to add your username. So that is not my username. And referrer, you have to add Talha 213 Talha 213 and referrer. And the password, create a strong password and add your email and add your, and this referrer blank you have to add Talha 213 and your birth year and robot confirmation in this blank. So after that you will be redirected to that page. A validation code have been sent to your email. Come and copy validation code, copy your verification code and paste it here. After that finish registration, and after that you will be redirecting to another page that have want a secondary password and login page. So you leave blank the secondary password, don't give it, so you don't have a secondary password. So after that you will have redirected to that page and click on here view advertisements, click on that, and that is advertisements. So you can see it here. In first parts it will cost low money and you have to work hard to get better money from this, and your money will be additional in a few parts ago. So come on, watch that ads and earn money. So another way is surveys, completing surveys. Come on to surveys page, and that is surveys. $0.85, $0.85 and $0.70. Complete these surveys. And another way is games. Click on games and you will have to redirect it to that page. And reward for game station, play now, that is $0.001. So that's the ways. And another is coins, AdSense Media. So that's anything here. Come on to view advertisements. So you have to watch that our advertisements, and a future part you will earning will become better and better from this. It will additional like $0.02, $0.003. It will slow additional your, it will slow additional dollars to your account. So that's the today's method. Like the video, share the video with your friends and subscribe the channel. Bye.